In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call button on Google Sites. Adding a click to call button is a great way to let visitors contact you instantly from their phone, without having to copy or memorize your number. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple button on your site that opens the phone app and starts a call with just one tap. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sites. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns the site you want to edit. When the Google Sites dashboard loads, you'll see a list of all the sites you've created. Next, click on the site you want to work on. This opens the site editor, where you can change text, images, and layout. Take a moment to navigate to the page and section where you'd like your click to call button to appear. For example, this might be your contact page, or near the top of your homepage so it's easy to find. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different elements you can add to your site. Look for the option labeled button and click on it. This will open a small window where you can configure your new button. In the field for the button name, type click to call. This is the text that visitors will see on the button itself. You can adjust the wording later if you prefer something like call us or tap to call. But click to call is a clear and simple starting point. Below that, you'll see a field for the link. This is where we tell Google Sites what should happen when someone clicks the button. In this box, you need to type a special kind of link that phones understand. Type tell followed by a plus sign, and then your full country code and phone number, all together without spaces. For example, it might look like TL T1234578 Nairu. This format helps ensure that mobile devices recognize it as a phone number and open the dialer correctly. Once you've entered the button name and the tail link, click on the Insert button. Google Sites will place your new click to call button on the page. From there, you can drag it to the exact spot you want and resize it to match your design. Finally, remember to preview your site and, if possible, test the button on a phone to make sure it opens the dialer as expected. Then publish your site so visitors can start using the new click to call feature right away.